Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to tell you about a new Meteora airdrop and show you how to claim Meteora ecosystem tokens in just a few simple steps. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. It really helps the channel grow. I focus on finding early and promising crypto opportunities as quickly as possible, especially those that can potentially add value to your crypto portfolio. As you already know, the crypto airdrop space offers huge opportunities, and missing drops like this often means missing out on free tokens that could matter in the future. Now, let me briefly explain what this airdrop is about, and then I'll walk you through the claiming process using my own wallet as an example. The official resource to participate will be available in the video description. Official website meteorprogram.com. Be careful and avoid fake or copycat websites. Meteora is a fast-growing DeFi protocol built on the Solana blockchain, focused on efficient liquidity management and advanced trading mechanics. The project is designed to optimize capital efficiency for liquidity providers, while offering smooth and low-cost swaps for users. The Meteora token plays a key role within the ecosystem, supporting incentives, rewards, and potential governance features as the platform continues to expand. Projects like this are becoming an important part of the evolving Solana DeFi infrastructure. Now let's move on to claiming the tokens. First, make sure you already have some SOL in your wallet, since wallet activity is required to meet eligibility conditions. Next, visit the official website meteorprogram.com, which is linked in the video description. After that, connect the wallet that is most active and has already interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, you'll see a confirmation window. Approve it to continue. Once connected, simply wait for the tokens to be credited to your wallet. I strongly recommend not skipping this opportunity. Airdrops like this can be a simple and effective way to grow your crypto holdings, especially when participating early. If you encounter any issues or have questions, leave a comment under the video and I'll be happy to help. Good luck, and see you in the next video.